Want to know how to cut or split an audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and we have also created a video on how to download Audacity, so make sure to watch it. Now once you're on that, on the top left side is to be seeing this file icon right here on the top navigation bar. Just simply hit towards it, and then you can just simply import any audio that you like. So I have this current audio right here. Now trimming it is super simple. So I'll just head towards an audio, the part of audio that I'd like to cut. So if I'd like to split this part of audio, so if my seeker is right here, I could just right click on it. I could just right click near it and then select split clip right here, and that's it. So as you can see, when you move it, our clips has been split successfully. And super simple and easy. So you can also select Ctrl+I as a shortcut to easily split it just like this. You can do it multiple times and as much times as you want in Audacity. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.